In this video, we'll show you how to clear your Amazon browsing history on your Android or iPhone. So first, open the Amazon app. Now tap on this U tab at the bottom. Once you are here, scroll down to this Keep Shopping For section, and here you will see this browsing history option. Simply tap on it. Now here you will see all the items that you have reviewed recently. To remove a specific item, all you have to do is select this remove from view option. Once you tap on it, the item will be removed. Additionally, if you want to remove all the items at once, you can tap on this gear icon and then select remove items here. This will remove all the items that you have searched for or browsed. Similarly, you can also tap on this more settings option and turn off this browsing history feature entirely. So this will stop Amazon from saving your browsing history in the future. An important thing to keep in mind here is that deleting browsing history doesn't affect the search history. So if you have searched for the item, simply tap on the search bar and make sure to use these X icons to remove the items from your search history as well. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.